question should never be asked? Support project, implementation project. Never ask it. Whether I will get work from home, never ask it. On-site opportunities, you all want it, right? Don't show it. Never ask it whether I will be. If you are good, you will get it, right? Never ask it. Show some openness. Whether I would be getting on-site opportunities. Can you tell me exact project? Never ask. It's not good to ask client names, projects. Don't ask. You can ask, right? If you can guide me what kind of project or any specific client segment. Client segment means pharma industry or mill industry, steel industry. If you are going to put me specific onto that specific client segment, okay. If you can guide me that what kind of project or what kind of client segment it would be, I would prefer to prepare accordingly. You can say that, when I go into the different clients, if I go into the pharma industry, I spend some time to 3 to 5 days to search about pharma processes. If I'm going to consult a steel industry, I just try to learn the steel industry's process. In previous projects, it helped me a lot. So if you're going to put me in some specific client segment, it's a pharma client or any client specific segment which you already know, you can let me know so that I can work on those processes, those specific processes of that segment, so that I would be easily able to adopt and I would be able to do better job in consulting. That's the positive environment you need to create it. That's kind of questions you need to ask it in an elaborative way, with your touch. Can you tell more about your company? Is not a question you should ask, right? You should be asking in a very elaborative way. Okay, first you tell what you know, and then you tell that, okay, a little bit in expanding way, that some specific thing which you want to know. If you're joining IBM, if you're a woman employee, you can definitely ask, I heard a lot of good things about policy, a particular policy. Let's say IBM has a woman policy, so I'm very excited to know. Can you elaborate a little bit more? Okay, one good policy which you want to know, that you can talk about. That also show that you have done some research.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
What kind of leaves any company you join, they have standard process, standard thing. Don't ask it what kind of leaves, whatever, everything everybody's getting, you will also get it, right? So these kind of questions, if you want to ask, you find some employee, you find some friend, you find some connection on the LinkedIn, and you ask these questions to them. Okay, not to the interviewer. You can also do, not a lot, okay, but you can also do a little bit of buttering if you really like it. You can mention that I really loved the way interview was conducted. And with your knowledge, you're telling, you're appreciating interviewer. If I want to reach to same knowledge level, what kind of things I need to work upon? Okay. These are the questions you should ask.